Hi, and thank you for choosing Quality Water Treatment. Today we're going to go over the programming for your SoftPro Elite, Elite Plus, or Elite Ultimate water softener system. Our office hours are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Again, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Our phone number is 866-278-4130. Again, 866-278-4130. You can also send us an email to help@qualitywatertreatment.com. Again, that is help@qualitywatertreatment.com. So to start off, I want to note you should receive a upper cone in the box that the bypass comes in that looks like this. This cone pushes into the center of the bottom of the control valve and twists to the right to lock in place. And then it just slides over the tube in the tank when you go ahead and screw it on there. You want to make sure to have this on there. If you did not put it on, give us a call and we'll tell you how to remove the valve head to install it. So once everything is powered up, you're going to want to hold the menu key till it beeps to unlock your valve. Mine's currently already unlocked. Once you have this screen here, go and hit the menu key once. Date and time should highlight. Once date and time is highlighted, hit set. You'll start off by setting the day with the up or down arrow. Once that's where you want, go ahead and hit set. It's going to move the cursor over to the month. Go and set your month with the up or down arrow when you have it where you want. Again, hit set, followed by the year. Set. Now you're going to set your current time of day. First, you're going to set the hour with either the up or down arrow. Once you have it where you want, hit set, followed by the minutes, and then AM or PM. Once that's done, go and hit set, setting complete, menu to return. Use the down arrow so your hardness is highlighted and hit set. This is currently an example. It is factory set to 15 grains per gallon. Whatever your hardness is, you can set it to the exact number or a couple grains over what your actual hardness is. Doesn't hurt. The first digit's almost always going to be 0 for most of you. So you're going to leave that as it is, hit set. The cursor will move over. If your hardness is 25 as an example, set the second digit at 2, hit set. And the third digit at 5. So 25, set, setting complete, menu to return. Now you're going to scroll down until main menu is highlighted and hit set. Go ahead and scroll on down until advanced menu is highlighted and hold set till it beeps. Once it beeps, you should have resin volume and refill rate, followed by regen mode. Go ahead and scroll down to refill rate. When that's highlighted, hit set. Your refill rate on your system should be at 0.2. If it is not, use the up or down arrow until 0.2 is the value shown, and then go ahead and hit set. Setting complete, menu to return. Now you want to scroll down to backwash rinse override. Once that is highlighted, hit set. Yours should say on. If it doesn't, go ahead and switch it to on and hit set. If it currently says on, hit the menu key. Sorry about that. Hit set, and it should bring you to this screen here. Backwash is highlighted and rinse on the right. Go ahead and hit set on backwash. I only want it at 3 or 4 days. I'll leave that up to your choosing, or 3 or 4 regens. I don't really want it any higher than that. If it is, go ahead and use the up or down arrow and set it at either 3 or 4. Once you have it on either one of those, go ahead and hit set. Setting complete, menu to return. You can use the down arrow and highlight rinse. Go and hit set. I want this either at 0 or 0.1, no higher. If it's zeroed out like mine is, that's perfect. Go ahead and hit the menu key to return, and then the menu key again, and then one more time. Now you're just going to tap the menu key here until you're back on the main screen. And that's it. The programming of your SoftPro Elite Water Softener is now complete. Again, thank you for choosing Quality Water Treatment. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.